When conflict ends, there is still work to do to establish a lasting peace. It can be hard to be neighbors with someone who was once your enemy, but friendly relations can be restored when people talk about their concerns and compromise to build bonds of trust. How do neighbors who don't get along manage to reconcile? There have been many conflicts throughout human history, but there are steps to take to achieve healing and reconciliation. The first step is to stop fighting. The second step is to build trust. And the third is to create empathy. Reconciliation is an ongoing process. It can take years to achieve. But when both sides move towards reconciliation, they can start to work together in government and all other areas of society, so that everyone is guaranteed fair and equal treatment under the law. What step is the most important to reconciliation? There are different methods of reconciliation. When the Second World War came to an end, Germany's leaders accepted their country's role in the war. They healed all wounds by paying money to help rebuild cities destroyed in the conflict. And Nazi leaders who had committed war crimes were punished in special courts. It became illegal for people to deny the Holocaust. All of these things helped establish a lasting peace and reconcile Germany with the countries it had harmed. Can you think of other methods that might have worked too? We've heard about the process of reconciliation and the methods that countries use to establish a lasting peace. How could you use the process of reconciliation to bring about lasting peace in a conflict you know about?